Today marks a defining moment in our collective effort to rebuild Rivers State Public Service and reposition it as an instrument of responsive and accountable governance. It is therefore with deep honor and a clear sense of responsibility that I inaugurate the newly appointed Permanent Secretaries into the Rivers State Civil Service. This ceremony signifies more than a routine administrative exercise. It is a solemn reaffirmation of our commitment to institutional reform, performance-based leadership, and purposeful service delivery. You are being called to serve at a time when Rivers State is undergoing a delicate but necessary transition, one marked by the charge by His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, to restore peace, stability, and good governance to our dear state. That presidential directive is unambiguous to reset governance, ensure institutional order, and uphold the integrity of the public service as a foundation for peace and development. Your appointment today must be seen as a direct contribution to that national mandate. The civil service is the heartbeat of any administration. If we are to meet Mr. President's and our citizens' expectations and justify the confidence reposed in this administration, then your leadership at the bureaucratic level must reflect vision, competence, and integrity. We acknowledge that over time, the civil service has lost some of its most experienced and committed officers to statutory retirement. These men and women departed with institutional memory and administrative discipline, leaving gaps that have impacted the effectiveness of our ministries, departments, and agencies. Your emergence, therefore, is not only timely, but strategic. As permanent secretaries, you are not merely administrative heads, you are stewards of public trust, the custodians of due process, and the drivers of policy implementation. The stability of the service, the clarity of policy direction, and the integrity of government transactions depend largely on your capacity to lead with accountability and foresight. I therefore charge you all to promote peace through good governance. Poor governance, as you know, fuels instability. By ensuring efficient service delivery, you contribute directly to peace and public confidence in government. You must deliver results that matter. Move from activity to impact. Focus on outcomes that improve the daily lives of our citizens. You must mentor future leaders, build up your teams, cultivate a culture of discipline, innovation, and service excellence amongst your subordinates. You must drive institutional reform, embrace innovation and digital transformation, challenge the status quo, and eliminate inefficiencies. You must foster collaboration across ministries, departments, and agencies. Break bureaucratic silos. Government must function as one united system delivering shared goals. You must ensure fiscal prudence. Every naira allocated must be accounted for. Be deliberate, transparent, and accountable in all financial matters. And let it be clear that our mandate to stabilize Rivers State and restore the confidence of our people requires your full cooperation. It requires dedication beyond personal ambition and loyalty beyond convenience. You must become enablers of peace, advocates of reform, and champions of national unity through your stewardship. Be assured that this administration will continue to provide you with the support needed to succeed, whether through improved conditions of service, targeted capacity building, or digital tools for enhanced efficiency. But support comes with expectations. We will monitor your performance against clear benchmarks. Those who excel will be recognized and supported. Those who fail to meet the high standards of the administration will be held accountable. As you take on this new responsibility, I urge you to reflect on the privilege you now carry. The people of Rivers State are watching. History will record what you do with this opportunity. Lead with honor, serve with humility, and ensure that your tenure adds value to the rebuilding of a more peaceful, efficient, and responsive Rivers State. I congratulate you once more. May your time in office be marked by excellence, dignity, and meaningful progress. Thank you, and God bless Rivers State.
Excellency.